Recursion? I don't get it at all. Well, to understand recursion, first you have to understand recursion. Actually, Aurelia's right. Recursion is when a method calls itself to solve a problem. Lots of programming problems can only be solved with recursion. Really? There are also problems that can be solved in different ways, for which recursion is the best solution. Methods that use recursion are called recursive methods. I think I get it. So what kind of problems can be solved with recursion? One of the classic recursion problems is finding the factorial of an integer. Factorial? The factorial of any integer n is the product of all integers from 1 to n. So 3 factorial is a 1 times 2 times 3? Exactly! In using recursion, the factorial of n can be calculated by multiplying n by the factorial of n minus 1. So what happens if n is 1? The factorial of 1 is always 1. It doesn't follow normal factorial rules. In this problem, 1 is the base case. Base case? A base case is what you use to stop a recursive method. Oh, so when the factorial of 1 is called, the method doesn't go any further, and it just returns 1 for that part? Exactly! Cool! This makes so much more sense. That's great! Let's take a look at this chart to recap. Alright. Finding the factorial of 4 with recursion. So 4 factorial is equal to 4 times the factorial of 4 minus 1, right? That's 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is 3 times the factorial of 3 minus 1, which is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2 times the factorial of 2 minus 1, which is 1 factorial. And 1 factorial is always 1, our base case. So, 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times